What's going on, crew? Part-time pirate here on this sunny, beautiful Saturday morning, May 6th. Today is time for the Sun Fun Festival Parade, and Part-Time Pirate is going to be in the parade this year. I don't know if you can see everything and the commotion going on behind me, but everybody's getting set up. We are already set up, so let's head down there, see if we can see some of the other parade entries, and I'll show you the Part-Time Pirate Mobile. Let's go. I've never been more envious of a float until this one.
Hey, our part-time pirate is your guide to Myrtle Beach. They find the best attractions, restaurants, local news. Our part-time pirates. Our part-time pirates.
That is going to do it for us at the Sun Fun Festival Parade. That was fun and exhausting. I had to run probably at least a quarter mile of that, but regardless, it was fun, and I hope everybody had a good time. I hope everybody enjoyed all the candy we passed out. We got rid of a lot of promo stuff and candy, and hopefully everybody at least got a laugh out of watching me try to run and keep up with the car. The parade was moving quite fast, but like I said, regardless, it was a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It greatly helps out the channel. Subscribe, become a crew member of the Part-Time Pirate so you don't miss anything else going on here in Myrtle Beach. Until next time, hold on to your booty, pirates.